students, welcome back to my YouTube class. Today we will discuss one more example on the power series solutions of ordinary differential equations. So let's start. So example number 3 is we have to find the power series solution of the initial value problem. So what is that problem? X d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. And the initial conditions are y of 1 is equal to 1 and y dash of 1 is equal to 2. Y of 1 is equal to 1 means what? The value of y is 1 at x is equal to 1. Similarly, what is this y dash? Y dash is nothing but dy upon dx. The value is 1. Sorry, the value is 2 whenever x is equal to 1. Okay, let us start the answer. That is, what is given differential equation? X d square y by dx square plus dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 0. I will call it as equation number 1. I have to make this in the standard form. For that, I will divide this equation by x. I will get d square y by dx square plus 1 by x dy by dx plus 2 by x y is equal to 0. Here I can check what is my px and what is my qx. Px is 1 by x, qx is 2 by x. And what are the initial values? That is, y value is 1 whenever x is equal to 1. Y dash value is 2 whenever x is equal to 1. And if I substitute x is equal to 1 in px and qx, my values px and qx both are analytic. So I can say that the value, that is x is equals to 1, is an ordinary point. So I must have my solution, that is power series solution, in the form of x minus 1. Okay. So what is my solution? My solution will look like, that is y is equal to summation 0 to infinity am x minus 1 to the power m, and y is equal to a naught plus a1 x minus 1, a2 x minus 1 square plus so on. I will call it as equation number 2. And I have to differentiate, that is y, 2 times to find out dy by dx and d square y by dx square. After differentiating 1 time, I will get my y dash, that is dy by dx is nothing but y dash, isn't it? So what is my y dash value? Y dash value summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m am x minus 1 to the power m minus 1. So y dash is equals to 2 and x is equal to 1. Matlab a2 into x minus 1, a3 into x minus 1. So all the higher terms will vanish because 1 minus 1 will be 0, 1 minus 1 will be 0 and so on. So I can get my a1 is equals to what? 2. Okay. And what is my a naught value? My a naught value is, whenever x is equal to 1, my y is equal to 1. Matlab all the other terms will get vanished and I will get my a naught is equal to what? 1. So I have got my a naught and a1 as a naught is 1 and a1 is 2. Okay, so I have to substitute all these y, d square y by dx square and d square y upon dx square values in my equation number 1. That is in the original equation. So x as it is, d square y by dx square value, dy upon dx value, 2 as it is, y value. So again I will make this x as x minus 1 because I have the power in the form of x minus 1. So I will subtract and add my 1 in this equation, that is x minus 1 plus 1, and I will multiply x minus 1 with this, 1 with this. I will get summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x minus 1 to the power m minus 1 to the power m minus 2 to the power m minus 1 to the power m. Equation number 5. So what is my next procedure here? I have to make these m minus 1 and m minus 2 in the power of m. So uske liye what I have to do? I have to take, that is m minus 1 is equal to k and m minus 2 is equal to k. So first of all I will take m minus 2 is equal to k. So what is my m value? M value will be k plus 2 and my summation varies from k is equal to 0 to infinity and m minus 2 will be k. Isn't it? I have to substitute in place of m, that is k plus 2. And then if I substitute m minus 1 is equal to k, then m is equal to k plus 1. Summation will vary from k is equal to 1 to infinity and this summation will vary from k is equal to 0 to infinity. And then I have to replace k by m in all these equations and substitute in equation number 5. So what will happen to equation number 5? That is Summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m plus 1 m am plus 1 x minus 1 to the power m, x minus 1 to the power m, x minus 1 to the power m, and x minus 1 to the power m, isn't it? Now we have to make these summations, that is m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0 to m is equal to 1. तो उसके लिए what I have to do, I have to do that is m is equal to 0 पहले डालकर इनका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद m is equal to 1, that is 2 into 1 into 1 into 8, isn't it? I'll get summation m is equal to 1 to infinity x minus 1 to the power m plus 2 a2 m is equal to 1 to infinity a1 m is equal to 1 to infinity and 2 a naught m is equal to 1 to infinity. Now I have to keep all the constant terms in one side, that is 2 a naught, 2 a2, a1, and summation m is equal to 1 to infinity all the coefficients of x minus 1 to the power m in one side. Now what are my a naught and a1 values? A naught is 1 and a1 is 2. So I will get here 2 into 1 2 plus 2, it is 4, and I will keep 2a2 as it is. 2a2 plus 4 plus these terms I will keep again as it is. Now we have to equate the various powers of x minus 1 to 0. I have only two powers for x minus 1 for now, that is first of all x minus 1 to the power 0, and here I have x minus 1 to the power, it is m. So first of all, if I equate this to a2 plus 4 is equal to 0, I will get my a2 is equals to minus 2, and I will get my recurrence relation as am plus 2 is equal to this particular result. Now I have to substitute, now I have to find out a3, a4 and so on. That is, in the recurrence relation, if I substitute m is equal to 1, I will get my a3, that is 2 divided by 3, and if I substitute m is equal to 2, I will get my a4, that is minus 1 upon 6. Okay, so my equation number 2 becomes y is equal to 1 plus 2 into x minus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 by 3 x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 by 6 x minus 1 to the power 4 and the other higher terms. And this is the solution for the given differential equation. And if you have any queries, then please comment box में लिख के दो, I will try to solve. And I think you should try this example. Here x square plus 1 d square y by dx square plus x d y by dx plus 2xy is equals to 0. The initial conditions are y of 0 is equals to 2 and y dash of 0 is equals to 3. That is, whenever x is equal to 0, y is 2. Whenever x is equal to 0, y dash is 3. So x is equal to 0 is the ordinary point. So I must have my power series solution in the form of x only. Thank you.